Okay, we're on board. Going to Vietnam. So excited. This is a 4 in the Rey Hotel. Thank you. What room number is it? 506. So it's this way. It looks nice up here.
And we're going to show you quickly what our hotel looks like before we jump in and have a shower and then go to bed because we're exhausted.
Yeah, we are.
So this is a bathroom, quite nice. It's a very old hotel. Toilet is here. We've got, I'd say, shampoo, conditioner. You've got a little light. I like that, that's nice. And we've got a cupboard. There's a fridge here. I hope there's a complimentary. It doesn't say, but we'll have a look. List of prices here, which is pretty convenient. USBs and all your light switches over here. I think there's probably some over there. Not much of a view here, so it's very dark out there, so you can't really see anything, but yeah. And that's it.
This is what the outside garden courtyard looks like.
So that's it for our stay in the Rey Hotel in Hanoi. We will be back to Hanoi, but that's we'll be staying at a different hotel. For the 2 nights that we have just spent in Hanoi, we stayed at the Rey Hotel, and
Nice hotel. Very nice.
The room is big. The room is, I have to say, I really liked the room. The bed was comfortable. The pillows were a bit big.
Yeah, they were. They were huge. They were like body pillows. They were nice and soft.
Kevin liked them, but I was falling off the bed.
They're almost bigger than you.
But thanks. It was a big bed, but yeah, the shower was fantastic. It was a huge rain shower, and it was a nice big cubicle. Yeah, overall the room was nice, and it was very clean and tidy.
Yes, it was. We had breakfast this morning. That was okay. I mean, we had a couple of Western dishes there, eggs, mini sausages, and toast and cereal. But other than that, it was all Vietnamese food. I tried some of it. Like we always say in our other Asian adventures, that we don't quite stomach that type of food for morning. It's more like a lunchtime or dinner food. But
I would have liked a little bit more of the vegetarian stuff like mushrooms and good old hash browns.
yes, yes.
But it was edible and it was fine, and the coffee was nice, but it was in very small coffee cups.
Yeah, that was my only complaint. The coffees, they were tiny. You needed 4 of them to fill one.
Like an espresso or a
coffee
Turkish
cup.
coffee cup. Yeah, it was a bit small, but we finally had some coffee. And so yeah, do we recommend the Rey Hotel? Yes, we do. It is a nice hotel. It is a little bit far from the Old Quarter. Well, it is in the Old Quarter, but it's in the outskirts of the Old Quarter. You have to walk about
10 to 15 minutes, depends on your speed.
Yeah, but it's incredible. The grabs, which are like Ubers here, cost you about
$2-3.
$2 to come and go. So we used grabs because it's a little bit hard to walk in the streets of Hanoi in the Old Quarter. So we used grabs to get to a few of the places, and it didn't cost us much at all. I don't think it cost us more than $10 all up.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah.